Buying a used car can feel like a risky gamble, and the last thing you want is to end up with a vehicle that drains your wallet and leaves you stranded. But what if I told you there are cars you can buy for just $3,000 that simply refuse to die? With the right maintenance, these machines can push past 500,000 miles, outlasting expectations and sometimes even their owners. Backed by real-world owner stories, rock-solid reliability records, and decades on the road, these cars prove you don't need to spend big to drive something built to last. In today's video, we're counting down 5 legendary cars under $3,000 that might just outlive your house. At number 1, we have the 2009 Toyota Yaris, a car that most people ignored because of its boring looks, but one that turned out to be a legend of reliability. Under the hood sits a 1.5-liter engine that was massively overbuilt for the car's lightweight body, meaning it barely works even at highway speeds. Mechanics often say that when they open up a Yaris engine with 250,000 miles, the pistons, bearings, and rings look like they've only seen 50,000. Both the manual and 4-speed automatic transmissions were engineered for longevity, not performance, and that's why they just keep going. While modern cars struggle with fragile CVTs and overcomplicated electronics, the Yaris thrives on simplicity. Owners routinely report pushing past 300,000 miles with nothing more than basic oil changes and brake pads, which is exactly why dealers hate them. These cars don't come back for repairs. If you want a cheap, fuel-efficient, and practically immortal daily driver, the 2009 Toyota Yaris is one of the smartest buys you can make under $3,000. At number 2, we have the Nissan Sentra from 2005 to 2010, but with one critical detail: only the versions with the traditional 4-speed automatic transmission. These were the last truly reliable Sentras before Nissan switched over to the notoriously fragile CVT. Power comes from the simple QR25DE engine, which is understressed in the lightweight Sentra chassis and easily pushes past 250,000 miles with nothing more than basic maintenance. Mechanics often say the old-school automatic is bulletproof, shifting as smoothly at 200,000 miles as it did brand new. Owners love the fact that annual maintenance costs are low and that these cars just keep running while newer Nissans are stuck in the shop. The golden rule here is to avoid any CVT-equipped model at all costs. But if you find a 2005 to 2010 Sentra with the traditional automatic and solid service records, you've got yourself one of the most underrated and longest-lasting compact sedans Nissan ever built. At number 3, we have the 2002 Toyota Avalon, often called a Lexus in disguise, because it delivers luxury-level comfort and build quality without the luxury price tag. Under the hood is the proven 3.0-liter V61 MZFE engine, the same bulletproof motor that powered the legendary Camry, capable of running 300,000 miles or more with just routine maintenance. Mechanics consistently praise this powertrain for its durability, while owners love the Avalon's spacious cabin, soft ride, and upscale interior materials that hold up better than many German luxury sedans of the same era. The reinforced suspension and excellent sound insulation give it a premium driving feel that lasts for decades. Many Avalons from this generation were owned by older drivers who maintained them carefully, meaning it's still possible to find low-mileage examples today. Essentially, this car is a Lexus without the badge markup, making the 2002 Avalon one of the smartest and most underrated long-lasting sedans you can buy for under $3,000. At number 4, we have the 2003 Buick LeSabre, a full-size sedan often dismissed as a grandpa car, but hiding one of the most durable drivetrains General Motors ever built. Power comes from the legendary 3.8-liter V6, the same engine that powered police cars, taxis, and rental fleets for decades, famous for surviving abuse that would kill other engines. Mechanics tell stories of these motors running without oil pressure, overheated until the radiator boiled dry, and still refusing to quit. With proper care, it's common to see LeSabres sail past 250,000 miles with ease, and the best part is that maintenance costs are shockingly low. Parts are cheap, widely available, and any mechanic can work on them. Owners often report these cars needing fewer repairs than many modern compact cars, which makes the LeSabre an incredible value. Overlooked because of its conservative image, the 2003 Buick LeSabre is one of the most underrated and bulletproof American sedans you can buy for under $3,000. If you're enjoying this list of indestructible cars, go ahead and smash that like button because it really helps the channel grow and brings you more videos like this. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss our next picks. And I want to hear from you. What's the most durable car you've ever owned? Share your story in the comments below. You might just see it featured in a future video. At number 5, we have the 2005 Chevrolet Impala, but only with the proven 3.8-liter V6, the same engine trusted in police cars and rental fleets that routinely ran hundreds of thousands of miles. Mechanics say it's not uncommon to see fleet Impalas hit 300,000 miles with nothing more than regular oil changes and brake jobs. The 4-speed automatic transmission follows the same philosophy: basic, tough, and nearly impossible to kill. Many of these cars came from fleets, meaning they were professionally maintained with detailed service records, giving buyers extra peace of mind. Owners admit the Impala isn't the most exciting car on the road, but with the 3.8 V6, it delivers exactly what matters most: bulletproof reliability, cheap repairs, and the kind of durability that feels built for battle. For under $3,000, the 2005 Impala is one of the toughest bargains you can buy if you want a car that just won't quit. In today's market, where new cars cost as much as a house and come loaded with fragile tech that fails before the warranty ends, there are still affordable options that prove old-school engineering was built differently. These models show that reliability isn't about luxury, it's about smart design with no shortcuts. But time is running out. Many of these cars have already been scrapped, and the ones left are getting harder to find. The choice is yours. Grab one now and drive something that could last decades, or pay big for a modern car that won't even come close. Drop a comment with the most durable car you've ever owned, hit that like button, and subscribe so you don't miss our next videos.